Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore a very exciting topic, how you can make money online using ChatGPT. Many people still think AI is just a tool for fun or research, but the truth is, if you know how to use it smartly, ChatGPT can actually help you create income streams. Let's go step by step and cover everything in detail. First, let's understand this clearly. ChatGPT is not a money-making machine on its own. It's a powerful tool, and like any tool, it depends on how you use it. If you combine your creativity, knowledge, and skills with ChatGPT, you can build services, content, and even digital products that people will pay for. 1. Freelance content writing. The very first way you can make money with ChatGPT is freelancing. Many businesses, blogs, and websites are constantly looking for fresh content. Articles, blog posts, product descriptions, social media posts, and more. If you use ChatGPT, you can generate drafts, polish them, and deliver them much faster. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer have thousands of clients searching for writers. You can offer your services as a content writer and use ChatGPT to boost your productivity. Just remember, don't copy-paste everything. Add your human touch, fact-check, and personalize the tone. That way your work will stand out. 2. Creating ebooks and digital products. Another great method is creating ebooks. Let's say you're interested in fitness, cooking, self-improvement, or even English learning. You can use ChatGPT to outline, draft, and refine your book. Once done, you can publish it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Gumroad. Every time someone buys your ebook, you earn money. The same idea works for guides, templates, or worksheets. These are called digital products, and once created, they can give you passive income for a long time. 3. Social media content and management. If you love social media, ChatGPT can help you manage content for businesses. Think about it. Companies need Instagram captions, YouTube descriptions, Twitter posts, and Facebook ads. You can offer this as a service. With ChatGPT, you can generate catchy captions, hashtags, and even full social media strategies. Many small businesses don't have time to create daily content, and that's where you step in. 4. Blogging and affiliate marketing. Another excellent option is starting your own blog. You can write blog posts with ChatGPT, focusing on specific topics or niches. Once your blog gets traffic, you can monetize it with Google AdSense or display ads. On top of that, you can do affiliate marketing. For example, if you're writing about technology, you can recommend gadgets and link them through affiliate programs like Amazon Associates. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. ChatGPT can help you generate product reviews, comparisons, and helpful guides that make your blog more valuable. 5. YouTube scripts and channel growth. If you want to start a YouTube channel, ChatGPT is your assistant for creating scripts, titles, descriptions, and even video ideas. For example, you can make videos about English learning, motivational topics, or even technology tutorials. ChatGPT can help you structure your content, saving you hours of brainstorming. The more consistent and high-quality videos you create, the better chance you have of growing and monetizing your channel. 6. Online tutoring and courses. Do you have knowledge about any subject, maybe math, coding, or language learning? You can use ChatGPT to prepare lesson plans, practice questions, and explanations. Then you can teach online through platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or even Zoom classes. Courses in tutoring are in huge demand, and ChatGPT can help you deliver organized and professional lessons. 7. Resume and cover letter services. Another small but powerful service is resume and cover letter writing. Job seekers are always looking for polished resumes and personalized cover letters. With ChatGPT, you can create professional-looking documents for them. You can charge per resume, and this can add up quickly if you find clients on LinkedIn or Fiverr. 8. Translation and language services. If you know more than one language, you can use ChatGPT as a support tool for translation. While it's not 100% perfect, it can help speed up the process. You can also use it to create language learning materials, vocabulary lists, or even conversation practice content. 9. Starting a newsletter. Here's another creative idea. Start your own newsletter. Pick a niche like finance, productivity, or tech updates. Use ChatGPT to research and draft your newsletters, then send them out weekly. You can later monetize your newsletter through sponsorships or by recommending products. 10. Building AI-based tools. If you have some programming knowledge, you can go even further by creating small AI-based tools or apps that use ChatGPT. For example, a content generator for businesses or a chatbot for customer support. People pay good money for tools that save them time. Now, let me give you some important tips. Always remember that ChatGPT is a support system, not a replacement for your creativity. Use it to save time, to generate ideas, and to refine your work. But always fact-check, edit, and make it your own. The real value is when you add your personal skills to what ChatGPT provides. Also, consistency is the key. Whether it's freelancing, blogging, YouTube, or digital products, don't expect overnight success. It takes time to build an audience, gain trust, and see results. But if you use ChatGPT the right way, you can definitely speed up your journey. So in conclusion, ChatGPT is not just a chatbot, it's like your business assistant. It can help you brainstorm, draft, edit, and even market your ideas. The opportunities are endless, whether you're into writing, teaching, marketing, or creating content. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments which method you'd like to try first.